Hey guys, Chronic here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a plugin to your server. So step 1, navigate to your file manager, and then to your plugins folder. So once in your plugins folder, you're going to want to get the plugin. So I have a plugin here. We're on spigotmc.org. I will put a link in the description. But for instance, we're going to be installing the world border plugin. This I'm going to be using in a future tutorial on how to pre-generate your world to reduce lag. So you find the download now. That will download a jar. So go plugins, throw that in there, and that'll be downloaded right there. Perfect. So since I'm on thing here, I got Opera GX. It's pretty awesome. Upload, and we can are recently downloaded. So there's that. Then all you do is restart your server. Now, while this is restarting, how you would find them. So let's just go spigotmc.org. Then you go to sources. And you can browse here and look for different plugins of your liking. Some of them cost money, most of them are free. And that's how that happens. Now, there's another way that plugins will come. So let's say we want to get Essentials. Essentials X. Yeah, there we go. Essentials X is the utility plugin, has like /home, /spawn, a bunch of other cool things. So this will download a zip file. So this one, let's read that. Oh, we already have that, but for the sake of it, we'll do it again. So once this is finished downloading, we open it. Then the only ones we really want out of here are two plugins. We only want Essentials X. Okay, no, we want three. Essentials X Chat and Essentials Spawn. Now, to get back on here, quite easy. You go into your plugins, drag and drop. That's simple. And to finish the installation, you just restart the server. That's it, that's all. I hope you guys and girls have a good night, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.